Unity already comes with grid snapping. Why on earth would I even add this when it's already there? I could go up to here and turn on grid snapping where all the objects move around. I can now drag this around one by one. This also has grid snapping on it, but because it's much bigger, I have this one set to 3 by 3. In fact, if I'm designing a level and I want to move things, I've got those ones, Control D, I'm just going to drag it up. And you see, this one over here doesn't have the grid snapping on it, but these ones do. So let's go over to this one and see why. On that one, grid snap. There we go. In the grid, if we are updating the grid, then we're grabbing the position, and then we are effectively going to run this. We are going to take our current X position and divide it by the snap. So let's say that our snap is 10, and we are at 99. Then this is going to give us a value of 9.99, because it's taking our 99 and dividing it by 10. So we get 9.99. Now, round, it's going to round it to the nearest integer. So it's not actually going to be 9.9, it's going to be 10. It's going to round it to 10. Okay, well, give me 10 times whatever the snap is. So if I had it at 99 meters, it's now going to correct itself to 100 meters. If I had it at 94 meters, it would correct itself to 90 meters. So the snap aligns, and I have to do that for the X, the Y, and the Z. Now, the only difference in here from this equation to what's actually happening is that I'm also including an offset. So the first thing I do is I get rid of the offset. I take whatever our position is, subtract the offset away from it, so it's as if it's moving around normally. Once I have that final value, I'm going to add that offset back to it. Once we've got that, we set the position back, and there we go. We're done with this one. So now let's see what some of the other changes were in here. I also had a couple extra Booleans. So when we were updating the alignment, which I believe used to be called update normal, we would just set the position and set the up, which is effectively changing the rotation of the object to match the normal. We're taking the up normal and matching it to whatever this is. I'm checking to see, do we have use alignment rotation or use align rotation and use align position to define whether or not we move those in there. The update function itself, rather than just check up if update normal, we're going to say if use alignment rotation or use align position. Use align rotation doesn't really work in any particularly useful way, but use align position. It will just automatically move to where I want it to, but it'll still be facing the same direction. I hope you found this useful. I'll talk to you later.